At those moments when driving really starts to get on your nerves and wear you out yet again, we all dream of what it would be like if our car could drive and park itself automatically. A few years ago, that would still have sounded like science fiction, but nowadays it's actually possible, although only under test conditions. But technology has already advanced to the point where cars can drive and park without any input from the driver. It's the law and the insurance stipulations which now have to be changed accordingly to allow these cars to be driven autonomously on public roads. Piloted driving is not only convenient. Cars equipped with this technology can help to avoid accidents, which are the result of careless driving, because computers and processors never sleep or switch off. We're testing piloted driving using our A7. We've done it in the USA and we'll do it all over the world, but of course with Germany as the focal point. But we're using the different driving environments in the various countries to really find out how customers react and what traffic conditions are like. We've done really intensive tests, especially on motorways. As you may imagine, there are actually frequent traffic jams on motorways which are not a lot of fun to drive in, where we could take the burden off the driver and where we could contribute a lot to safety aspects. This will already be available in our next A8, but we're going to take it further by looking at driving at higher speeds. That's exactly what we did in the USA when we drove that 900 kilometers from Silicon Valley to Las Vegas. That was at speeds of 120, 130 kilometers per hour. And we're doing tests in Germany, where we will also definitely get up to 140 kilometers per hour, so that our system will also be able to monitor traffic all around the car, whether it's the car's own overtaking maneuvers or other cars overtaking our car. This has to be detected, measured accordingly, and trigger decisions the car makes itself. Very complex areas, which we are testing intensively, but we are already well on the way. Audi consciously chose the term piloted driving and does not talk in terms of autonomous driving like most other car makers, because it should give the impression that the driver is always in control and can intervene at any time if he wants to, as this is still one of the current criticisms. Many drivers are quite simply frightened of letting the computer take the wheel. And the expression autonomous driving immediately conjures up a picture of the so-called Google car, which has neither steering wheel nor pedals and is controlled totally by its onboard computer. But that's not the way the future will shape up. It will look more like the A7 concept cars, specially built in China. The fact that China is currently the largest car market in the world is not the only reason that Audi chose the Middle Kingdom. It has much more to do with the traffic conditions there. To put it another way, Chinese drivers have a very special driving style, different to the styles in Europe and North America. And the designers want to build a car which can drive safely through the traffic, despite Chinese customs.